So, traders, on today's video, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, now you already get the picture into what I'm about to share on today's video. But before we start on the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. And most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are well aware, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I just won't say much and I won't do much, but I might just get straight into it just to update you guys and show you guys how the markets have been looking and what we might look forward into experiencing based on how the markets have been playing out. And the first pair that we're going to be working on is Nasdaq. And as you guys can clearly understand, price on Nasdaq is strongly bullish based on two basic foundations of market structure. Price at resistance, which later on gave us a break above. With a break above, obviously understanding from every breakout there has to be a retest, but in this case price continued pushing to the upside. So understanding that our 25.181 level, which was our resistance, price had a break above. With a break above, price gave us a new all-time high, which is trading roughly on a 26.1120 price level. So understanding how the markets are looking and how Nasdaq is looking, all I can now say to you guys, from every push phase, price has to give you an exhaustion phase or a pullback or a range, so we can look for those clean continuations to the upside. If price would give us bear signs, then I guess we're gonna wait a few weeks or a few days till we can get enough momentum to indicate that price is having a possible bearish reversal. But for the most part of it, understanding how price is looking, Nasdaq is on an all-time high. From every push to the upside or from every higher high, price needs to somehow give you a higher low before we can look for those continuation pushes to the upside of possible new all-time highs. So that's what we're going to leave it for on Nasdaq for now. But second pair will be gold. So on gold, you can clearly see gold is giving us some type of bear weakness, and this indication is somehow based on you guys having to understand that we shared on the previous week that price gave us a double top pattern. So from a double top, we were looking for a break below our higher low, which price gave us, and what happened from there, price pushed to the downside. So as you guys can clearly see that we marked out our previous higher low, which was a double bottom, right? So from a double bottom, price gave us a double top. From a double top, price is now having a double bottom. But anyways, understanding that this is a previous double bottom zone that we have marked out, and as you can clearly see from this bear move to the downside, price is now having weakness. So bear weakness will give you an indication that this is a bullish zone. But if price looked to continue, then I guess we could have had a violation indicating possible moves to that up to the downside. But as you can clearly see, price is trading above our zone. If price will hold above, then I guess we're going to look for those moves to the upside based on price giving us this double bottom and giving us an all-time high. Do you guys understand it? But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD will somehow be a simple pair that you guys might be look to capitalizing on. Let me break down to you guys why am I saying this. First, USDCAD at this highs, right? So from this highs, you can clearly see that the dollar had weakness, right? So from this weakness, price hit a push to the downside. So pushing to the downside, you can clearly see now that the bears are having weakness, which is what the Canadian dollar having weakness compared to the dollar, right? As you can clearly see those bear depletion candlesticks right there, right? So we had a clean reason into it because we marked out our previous lows, right? Because as you can clearly see, this previous week price at highs and price at lows, and this highs and this lows gave us a push to the outside, which led into our current price highs, right? So this current price high had a push to the downside, giving us this reaction, this bear weakness from our previous lows, right? Understanding that if price will give us bear depletion, then I somehow believe that we might look forward for that bullish momentum candlestick so we can look for those moves to the upside. But if this bear weakness is a trap for traders who are looking to be bullish, then I guess if we're gonna get bear momentum below this candle, below the zone, then that's what we're gonna be focusing on and looking forward into. So understanding that those 3 pairs, we're going to be playing the waiting game, but the waiting game is only based on us having to understand, is price going to give us tradable setups or not? But for the most part of it, Hope you liked on the video. Share the video, and your far most importantly, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. As you guys are all away, COT Academy is a 50% discount. I'm looking forward to assisting you guys and growing with you guys. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.